How to fix Valorant not loading into game. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application, or you can just make sure that your Valorant application is updated to its latest version on your device. After that, what you can do is make a long press on the application and go to the app info. As you tap on app info, it will land you to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on that and then clear cache and tap on OK. Then go to the app permissions over here and then make sure that you have given access to the files and media and your microphone as well. After that, go back and make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might help you fix not loading into game. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.